love? It's about us, it's about trust, babe. It should be about us, it should be about trust, babe. What's love?
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you guys who are new here today and have no idea who the heck I am, my name is Jasmine and it's very nice to meet you. And for those of you guys who are returning subscribers, real ones, day ones, real supporters, friends, home skillet biscuits, gang gang, glad to have you back. You already know the deal. Today I'm coming out shop with another video, and today it is going to be me trying out soap brows. I'm sure a lot of y'all have either seen this like on Instagram or TikTok, is people using soap with like setting spray and stuff to like give their brows like that micro braided fluffy look. So I'm gonna try it today. I don't know if my eyebrows will look right with that type of look because I just don't really have eyebrow hairs. Like I do, I've been growing them out. Like that's not hate on it, but like, you know what I mean? Like I don't know if I have the look for the fluffy brow. Before we get into the video, I need you guys to do two things for me. First, hit the subscribe button. Most importantly, I'm almost at 7K. Let's get there before May. Bars. And secondly, hit that bell notification button so that every single time I post a video, you'll be the first to know about it. Oh, and one more thing. Can you guys please leave a testimonial for me on Sephora's website so that I can be chosen to be part of their Sephora influencer program. I'll put a link down below. All you gotta do is just say a few nice words, a few kind words on why you think I should be chosen to be part of their squad. So I really appreciate that so much. You guys have no idea. The link's below. Love you forever. Let me know if you do. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and hop into it. All right, y'all, so we got the soap. I just got a random brand from Target. It was called Smartly. It just wasn't expensive, okay? I didn't know what type of soap you're supposed to get, but any bar soap apparently will do. I got that. I got my little spoolie brush, and I got my setting spray. So I wanted to use my Morphe setting mist, but I literally have none of that left, and I do not want to waste it on my brows. And it's like 11 o'clock at night, so I'm not going nowhere. I'm not gonna waste it. I need these stores to open back up because I need more setting spray. I don't want to buy it online. It's doing too much, but we might have to. I don't know. All right, y'all. So apparently, all you do is spray the soap with setting spray, like so. I don't know. Ooh. And then you do this in it. Do a little one of these numbers. Get it all up in the thing. I'm feeling like it looks a little dry, so I want to add a little bit more. Now we got a little soap mixture on our little spoolie. My spoolie looks nice and coated now. As you guys can see, it looks like white. And yeah, okay, let's see. Oh, I wonder if this is gonna change my brow game. What if I like it? What if I don't? So apparently you just brush them. Oh, that was a lot. But you just brush them up. See, my brows are so ugly. I hate my brows. Look, I mean, I love my brows because they've come a long way. But I don't want to push my brows. Oh, I feel them kind of getting hard. Okay, they're up. And they're like white. I think I used too much soap. Is soap dry clear? Ew, I don't think I'm gonna like this. I don't think fluffy brows are for me. Wait, let me stop. Cause you know what? What if like after I like complete them, I'm gonna be like, new brow game, new brow tutorial. Definitely use the wrong soap or too much soap. Cause I look like I'm trying to like write on my brows like it's Halloween. What if I like add some heat? Oh yeah, add a little bit of body heat. That'll, you know what? Let me just wipe it a little bit. Yeah, cause I gotta get the whiteness off. And then let me work with the residue. Cause I don't want. Oh, okay, see, much better. Oh my God, I have fluffy brows and I don't like them. I think I look like, I don't know if it's just my brow shape or what, but I look, as of right now, I look dumb. Okay, so this is not the completed look apparently. Like you're now supposed to go in with a eyebrow pencil and like fill out the ends like where it's a little sparse, obviously, because I don't got no hair on the end. So I'm using my brow pencil by Benefit Cosmetics, and I guess they say to do it light, so I'm trying not to do what I usually do, where I just fill in this whole bottom half. Okay, so I filled in the end, and then they say you go like this with your brush and just do it so the hairs are like down. That's what y'all all geeked up for? This? I'm gonna keep my mouth shut because, listen, it be looking cute on other people, but like just on me, I think it's just my eyebrow shape. I think it's my, I don't like this. I don't like for my brows to look bushy. This is how my brows look when I wake up, when I've been sleeping on my face. Okay, let me stop complaining. Let me just go ahead and do the other one. I don't think I like it. It makes my eyebrows like high. Like, my eyebrows are big. This is definitely not for me. I want it to be for me so bad because I want to like try to switch up my look and stuff, but I don't think so, sis. I don't think so. I'm gonna go ahead and carve the brow out, and we're gonna see if that does something. I don't think I like it. I don't think I like it. I think it makes me look like this. Like, I don't like it. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my makeup real quick, because sometimes like when you do the rest of your makeup, it can make a whole look come together. I'm just gonna do a light little beat real quick at the major. And maybe it'll grow on me by the time I'm done. Maybe that natural brow might grow on me, but we gonna see. All right, y'all, so I went ahead and did my makeup in I mean, it's better. Like, it definitely looks better with makeup, but it's not for me. I don't like it. I'm sorry. I don't like it on me, I should say. I like it on other girls. Like, you got that look, cool. If you already got like naturally cute brows, and I feel like it looks cuter with like straighter brows, like, yeah, I just don't like it on me. I just don't like it on me. I love it on other girls, love it on other women. Y'all be killing it with the crazy natural looking brows, laminated brows and everything, but I don't like it on me, and I'm so glad I tried this before when I actually got my brows laminated, because I thought about getting my laminated just because I felt like it would look more like bushy. It looked like I have more hair for my brows, but like looking at how it looks right now, it's not for me. I feel like it's just not for, I don't know, it just makes me, I feel like look like a monster. They definitely feel like they're gonna stay though. So if y'all ever wanna try this, if y'all thinking about getting laminated brows or wanna see how it look on you with like the bushy brow, definitely try this little soap trick, for sure. 10 out of 10, it works great, 10 out of 10. But on me, it's a 0 out of 10, sis. A 0 out of 10, nothing, I don't like it. I don't know, what do you guys think? Do you like it? Do you think there's even a difference? I don't know if it's just me because like I look in the mirror every single day, so I see a difference, or if there's not really one at all. Or do you guys like it? Are you like, yes, natural eyebrow jazzy, yes, we love her. I don't. I want my brows back. I don't like these little werewolf brows. So let me know in the comments down below your thoughts on these brows and this whole little brow trick or whatever. Have you guys tried it? Let me know. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly, hit that subscribe button for me. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. But until then, I'm gonna pop some right here, and you guys can go ahead and watch 1 or 2 of these. Or maybe we'll do 4 again. Yeah, we'll do 4.